Milwaukee introduces the M18 PACKOUT Light and Charger. 3 independent pivoting light heads and a built-in M18 and USB device charger provide all-day multi-directional lighting and charging on and off the stack. Achieve ultimate performance with 3,000 lumens of True View high-definition output and up to 9 different output modes. The multi-directional lights can be positioned in one direction for specific task lighting, or in multiple directions for area lighting. Fully compatible with the PACKOUT modular storage system, the M18 PACKOUT light provides pathway lighting while rolling the stack on and off the job site. The M18 PACKOUT light is built to adapt, perform, and survive.